Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a step-by-step guide on how to start trading options or futures as a beginner or intermediate level trader. This is going to be a short, straightforward video for people that don't want to watch a 10-hour YouTube tutorial series. I'm going to tell you exactly what brokers you can use and should use depending on your region, what apps to get, what platforms to sign up for, and what trading tools help me successfully make 1K a day as a day trader. And I will be going over the process of placing your first options trade in the broker. Each broker or platform I recommend will be posted in the description below and labeled. Before we begin, I want you guys to join the Discord group in the bio. I have a community of 12,000 traders where I post trades daily, go live in, post my daily analysis, along with a team of analysts to help give you guys an edge. It is going to be free to join for a limited time, so I'll see you guys there. Make sure you watch this to the end. Your first and probably most important step is going to be finding a broker that you could trade on. A lot of people prefer Robinhood because it's very UI friendly. However, I highly recommend Webull myself if you're in the US because of all the extra features that it has with stop losses, stop limits, trailing stops, etc. I know another good platform is Thinkorswim or Charles Schwab. If you sign up for Webull using the link in the bio, you can get up to $3,000 in stocks for free. Now, when I say up to, the minimum amount you are going to get is at least $30, but it can go all the way as high as $3,000. And the average amount I've seen typically is around $50. Now, once you click on the referral link to create a Webull account, you're going to get hit with this page right here. Now you're just going to want to sign up, put in your phone number, verify it. It's going to ask for some information, fill it out. It's also going to ask you what type of account you want to create. Now, this is probably the most important part. You're going to want to create a Webull cash account, not a margin account. Now, why do I say cash account? Cash accounts do not have a PDT restriction. If you're a new trader, you most likely do not know what the PDT restriction is, but after you make the mistake of creating your margin account, you're going to quickly find out that you're only going to be allowed to take 3 day trades per week. To avoid this, I trade on a cash account and I don't get that PDT restriction, and I get unlimited day trades with the funds I have settled in that account. A very good platform for charting is called TradingView. Now, there is a premium subscription that you can get, but I don't recommend you get the premium subscription. I think the free version is sufficient. I've been trading for many years and I haven't had the need to upgrade yet. But you can essentially look at every single market here. You can look at stocks, funds like the SPY, QQQ, IWM, futures, NQ, ES, Forex, crypto, indices, bonds, economy, options, etc. This platform has every single market you could possibly want. And a great thing about this platform is it has a community where you can bounce ideas off each other and go look at other people's scripts, indicators, charts, etc. TradingView has many different features, as you guys can see on the left here. You can do lines. By hitting this little plus sign, you can create levels. TradingView is super useful. I'm going to show you a trade setup that we took on stream a few days ago. It is this trade right here. You guys can go check the live streams out. I did this trade live, and we also took this trade live in the Discord, and you guys can check that by just joining the Discord in the bio and looking at the trade history. Now, once you have your broker set up, hopefully your broker is Webull. If not, that's not a problem. And then you also have TradingView set up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to apply for options trading in your broker settings. Now, what do I mean by that? Let's switch over to the Webull chart. Okay, now that I have my Webull chart open, let's get into where you can apply for options. Now, you can get the desktop application for Webull. They have also a website platform and also a mobile app. Now, I find it very easy to be able to place trades on the mobile and desktop apps. If you're going to trade on the website, I would just download the app. It's free. And I believe it has a better user interface, and it's going to be a lot easier to use. Now, once you're in, you're going to want to go straight to the stocks tab. Once you go to the stocks tab, you're going to have something that looks like a charts. It's going to have a options tab. You're going to want to click on that and then apply for options. Now, this part is a little tricky. Webull has a very interesting system to accept applications for options. My advice to you would be, yes, be as transparent, as honest as you can. But personally, in my experience, I've had to kind of inflate some numbers to get approved for it. I'm not telling you to do that. I don't recommend you do that. I recommend you be truthful. But that's what I had to do to get accepted for options, if you know what I'm saying. But anyways, once you apply for options, you're going to get instantly approved. And then now you're all set. And then once your funds settle, you're going to be able to start placing options trades right away. In Webull, when you place a trade, let's say you have $500 and you place a $100 trade. That $100 trade, let's say, goes to $200. Now your account balance is $600. $200 being from the trade you just took. $200 is going to be unsettled funds, and then the remainder $400 that you haven't traded with yet that day is going to be settled funds that you could trade with. Now, once the day's over and the new trading day begins, that $200 that was previously unsettled becomes settled funds, and now you have $600 of settled funds to trade with. What I did in the beginning when I had a small account was I would trade with only half my account balance each day. Okay, now switching over to our split screen here, it's gonna look a little confusing. So I have my Webull open up, and then on top of it I have the Discord app. I'm basically going to teach you guys how to enter trades and read alerts at the same time. So first and foremost, you have the Discord open up. You have various options of analysts to choose from. You're going to want to click on the account challenge alerts. That's where I post my alerts. And once you go there, I'm going to give you guys an example alert. So example alert is today at 10 a.m. I alerted SPY 566. P stands for puts. Expiration date September 23rd at 0.88 per contract. Now going over to your broker, you're going to want to click on stocks. Then you're going to want to find SPY. And then once you click on SPY, you're going to want to click on options. And then once you're in options, you're going to see these very confusing dates. Now, since I alerted September 23rd, you're going to want to click on the September 23rd contracts. And then you are going to get a list. In this case, I alerted puts. P stands for puts. Strike 566, as you guys can see, expiring September 23rd at 0.88 per contract. Now, as you guys can see, after my entry, these contracts actually ended up going 76% in profit, but we managed to sell at 40%. And this trade put our small account challenge up really nice. As you guys can see, some people like taking more than one contract or more than the number of contracts I typically alert, and it ends up going pretty nice for them. But anyways, that is how you place a trade in your broker, as well as read a trade signal in the Discord. Now, I promised I was going to keep this video short and sweet, and all the tools and platforms that I've mentioned in this video are linked in the description and labeled. And once you feel like you are ready to begin trading, you guys can join the premium community that we have. Me and 10 other analysts post trades daily in that Discord, and I currently have a 500 to 5K challenge where I'm going to be resetting my personal account to $500 and trading that up to 5K. I've completed about 8 challenges so far, and this is going to be our 9th run, and I hope to see you guys there. Make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe. We are almost at 230 subs. Let's try to get to 1,000 by the end of this month, and I'll be posting more content on a day-to-day basis to help you guys with your trading journey.